here's what happened. When we were coming in here from our last trip to Henry Horton, backed in, everything was fine. I get out of the truck. Jennifer's already got the door opened, and all of a sudden I hear psh.
What the heck is that?
And I'm like, what is that? And we get over to our driver rear tire on the trailer, and the valve stem has got a crack in it and is leaking air. So now we're gonna have to take the tire off, jack the trailer up, take the tire off, and go get that fixed. Never done it before, but I'm so thankful that it happened when I backed it in and it didn't happen while we were going down the road, because that would have been bad, wouldn't it, Jennifer?
Terrible.
Terrible. So let's get to it.
Oh, and it's the hottest day of the year so far, hitting over 90. Oh, yeah, that's great. It's a great day to change a tire.
Yeah, it's 5,000 degrees. There's a heat advisory.
But it was raining on the way home, so it's like heat, rain.
I don't know.
You know, on our way home from our trip.
Okay, let's see what I was doing.
That's not even that tall.
So this jack, I can't get to work. This is the jack out of my truck, so we're gonna try that and see if that works.
So that cobalt one is just, it won't go tall enough?
It's not tall enough.
So it won't raise the tire off the ground enough to get it all?
Right.
Okay.
So we're gonna try this. Let's see, this is what it's doing. Let's see, it's cut like right there. Okay. This is my hubcap in it. All right, so I'm gonna leave this here. So I'm going to Discount Tire and let's hope that they can get this done. Man, they're like a well-oiled machine in there.
He just took it.
He said, give me 2 minutes. I'm like, 2 minutes?
Wow.
Wow. So, we'll see. But he like messed with it and he said, oh yeah, that's definitely going out. So, we really dodged a bullet getting back in time, and that didn't happen to us on the road. I'm so thankful for that.
Sure. I am. That went smoother than we thought. I have to tread lightly when I'm saying things during very tense situations, because my tendency is to kind of laugh a little bit, and he does not think it's funny.
No, I have zero sense of humor.
I know, but I'm not trying to be.
Zero sense of humor in these things.
I'm not trying to be funny. I'm just like, I know that it's like a tense situation, so I have to be careful. And he's a lot more serious. And I'm not saying this is not serious. It is serious. But just when I was trying to like give us just a tiny bit of suggestion to move the jack a little bit closer, or twist it so that it fit in the axle.
All right, no.
He doesn't like it.
I do like it. And then I'll say, is it good? And she's like, oh yeah, it's good. And it's not good.
I know, because then I know I need to shut up.
No, you don't.
He's just not, he's not having it. You don't want to touch it because it's dirty. I shouldn't have worn a white shirt to come and
Do y'all see what I'm dealing with here?
help change
It's
the
dirty.
tire.
I'm changing a tire on a
I know.
10,000 pound
Look,
trailer.
Look at that.
You want to use a torque wrench, and I have one, but I did not bring the torque specs with me. So I'm just going to tighten it up really good, let it down, and then come back.
Oh yeah, because look, warning,
Yeah.
torque wheel lugs.
So the torque specs on it, I think they're like 100 pounds maybe.
It's my daddy's 81st birthday.
Yeah.
So we're going to my hometown here in a little while and eat dinner with them and my sister and maybe nephews, niece. I don't know who else coming. You don't turn 81 very often. And it's a big deal. So we're going over to see them, spend some time with them for a little bit this afternoon, or evening rather.
Yeah. So pretty tight, but not too tight.
Now what? Don't tell me you're supposed to put that on first.
I mean,
Okay. And the lip is too big. It's got to have go back in
yeah,
first.
so guess we're gonna have to do it over.
Oh my Lord.
We're not gonna do it over right now, but I sure thought that would have just popped back on there.
I think it's too much of a lip.
Okay, well, so more practice then. Just gives me time to go get my new jack that I'm probably gonna have to have. Because the jack that I had is not working, so I had to get the one from the truck, and that's not ideal, I don't think. So,
Yeah.
could do it again.
You know I got grease on me.
Honey, I mean, that's barely even noticeable.
Look. I had some on my hand and I was trying my best not to get it on me. There's a little, I'm just sorry, for Instagram reels. Which, by the way, if you're not following us on Instagram, go over there and do that at Our Four Seasons RV. Have lots of fun over there. Got anything else to say?
Well, I will say that I'm super embarrassed. I didn't put that hubcap back on before. But you know, isn't it great though to be able to like do this here
Yeah.
in our storage unit instead of out on the highway?
Yeah.
So
I was looking at your truck ones, like, are they different? But
I don't know.
I don't.
Yeah. So, you know, this whole RV experience, it's learning, you know, and
Yes.
every time we go out, we learn a little something new. That's it. So now I get to go get me a new jack, which I'm super excited about. And then,
How does a repair always turn into a new purchase?
well, I don't know, but you can never be too safe. And the jack that I had, I got from my dad, and it's just barely not tall enough. So,
Yeah.
you know, you got to go get a new one. And I'll come back and I'll redo that whole step, and I'll have my torque wrench with me, and I'll get it all tight and put the hubcap back on and be good to go. So, okay, we're back. We came out here yesterday and changed out that tire, went and got it fixed for the stem. And so now I've got to come back and put my hubcap on that I did not do properly last night.
Or at all.
Or at all, you could say. Thanks for pointing that out.
Properly would be just.
And then I also went and got a new jack.
Oh, you did? I didn't know you did that today.
Huh? Yeah. So
Oh my Lord.
I got
That's huge.
this DeWalt 3-ton lifting,
Wow.
low profile floor jack.
3 ton. That's a lot of stuff you can lift.
I know I can. Maybe even the house. So about to use it for the first time. What I don't like about it is that it's heavy, but it is what it is. That's
Well,
what
you just slung it out of there like it wasn't nothing.
Well, because the jack's not in it.
Oh.
This is just a box. The jack's right there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, goodness. All right.
It's like, it doesn't look heavy.
So this one will go up higher. This will go up to 23 inches as to where the other one would only go up to 15. So that's the big issue.
Okay.
So.
Wow.
Yeah, it is heavy. So I don't like that, but.
It looks supersonic or I don't know, super fancy.
Well,
I like the base plate is a lot bigger.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like about the size of the palm of my hand.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm not really. I'm looking at my
Grand Design.
my owner's manual for 1/2 inch wheel size, 90 to 100 pounds of torque. So I got this set for like 96. I mean, you're not gonna be able to see that probably, but. On the pattern that it's got here.
Oh, battery. I mean, so I don't know anything about torque, but is it just you do it as tight as you can until it stops, and that's the pressure or the
you're looking for the click
poundage or whatever? Okay.
So that should be good. So that's
You did all of them.
use the torque wrench. Never done that before. We're gonna take this out on Friday and see how it goes.
Yeah. As soon as we pull out of here, our RV dealer that we bought from is literally next door. So if something bad were to happen, I guess we'd be
I mean,
able to stop.
That's what the torque wrench is for, and so you don't want to over torque it, you don't want to under torque it, and that's why it has those specifications on there. So I've never done that, and so I think I did it right. So we're gonna see, I guess. Oh,
So are we done?
we're done. All right,
All right. So
set to go.
Friday.
Wish us luck. Yeah.
We'll just watch it and
Yeah. So when we pull out, we'll go slow and just make sure nothing looks weird like we always do. And that torque wrench though, that if you know the settings on it, that really makes sense. It's kind of a peace of mind too. It's like, okay, don't tighten it any further than any more than this.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Well, it makes sense because I mean, I guess everybody has different strength too. So tight for you might need tight, not tight for.
Yeah, that's totally right.
The Hulk or Superman.
Exactly.
You know.
Exactly.